While you may be on vacation, you can't take a break from watching and protecting your children.
According to the CDC, as a nation, we average 390 drownings a year.
Don't let your children swim alone, and never take your eyes off of a child in the pool. It only takes seconds to lose a life.
Nearly 80% were seen 5 minutes prior to being found in the pool.
Nearly 50% were thought to be with someone else or thought to be in the house or hotel room.
Life jackets can help reduce the risk of drownings by nearly half if your child is not comfortable swimming. Seconds count. Learn CPR.
As an adult, when you are attending a pool, whether with a child or not, you should always be supervising.
It only takes seconds to lose a life.
Drowning occurs quickly and quietly. Adults should not be involved in any other distracting activities such as reading, playing cards, talking on the phone, or mowing the lawn.
Do not drink alcohol while supervising children.
Try to use the buddy system, assigning kids to swim with someone who is a stronger swimmer than they are.
Do not use air-filled or foam toys such as water wings, noodles, or inner tubes. These toys are not life jackets and are not designed to keep swimmers safe. Don't wait until it's too late. Drownings are preventable.